Well, that seemed pretty easy. Maybe it'll work for a while. Of course, it's not going to latch on its own, but hey, it's just an old beat up door that somebody threw away. At least so, or yeah, it's like there. See, it latched. But yeah, that's all I need it for. Oh well, we'll have to do. Got to make do with what you have, what you find, and what you don't have. Be creative. Yeah, maybe I need to stuff some stuffing up in there. I don't know. Hard to say. Maybe rain will get in there too. Oh well. At least it's closing tight and it's latched. It's all that. Oh, what's going on now? Oh. Maybe I need to. Oh well, it's not a big deal. I can buy a handle. Maybe it needs greased. WD-40 will do the trick.